Hi everyone, this is Queen Sua. Welcome back to my channel. If you hear someone in the background, that's my little bundle of joy. In today's video, I decided to do a unboxing of the Amazon Baby Welcome Box, which is a box full of baby products. And since a lot of my family and friends are soon-to-be mommies, congrats to all of you. I decided that this would be a great way to show them baby products, and at the same time, it's a way that they can get it for free and test it out to see if it suits their babies. So in order to obtain this box, you do have to have a Amazon registry, and you only have to spend $10 on it. And you receive this baby box for free. Now I received it, my son is already 8 months. No, I am not pregnant. I received it late because I didn't even know these things existed until I saw a couple of videos, and I decided, hey, well, I need to get mine as well since I did have an Amazon registry. So when I received my box in the mail, it came in this box, which is a pretty big box. And I confess, I couldn't wait to do this video, so I did open it ahead of time. So this is how the box looks. It also comes with a little flyer that says, enjoy these complimentary samples. So as you can see, it has this beautiful baby inspired decor as a wrapping paper. I would say tissue, but it's a thicker paper. And this is how the inside looks. As you can see, let me actually take this off. Well, it gives you a sample of the Aquifer Healing Ointment. And then it gives you a coupon for 15% off Burt's Bees Babies. And I love their onesies. The next thing is a Pampers Mom-to-Be registry gift, which looks like it is a little bag. Yes, it's a little zipper clutch with a little handle. And then inside has a travel wipes pack, a newborn diaper, which my baby, of course, outgrew it. Oh, this is neat. Dreft Stage 1 Newborn Baby's First Laundry. In case you guys didn't know, the babies cannot use the same laundry detergent as we use. And then this is, what is this? Coupons, a book of coupons, which is pretty neat. The next thing I see is the Nook orthodontic pacifier. This is for 0 to 3 months. Now, my son does use an orthodontic pacifier, but of course, he outgrew this stage already. Oh, I love this. The Burt's Bees Babies Shampoo and Wash. And I love Burt's Bees because they do focus on having natural ingredients in their products. A Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Lotion sample. As we know, baby skins are delicate, so we do want to moisturize them. They also included a Avent 4-ounce natural bottle, which I've heard many good things about this bottle, but I do use glass bottles. One of the biggest things I see is an amazing baby muslin swaddle blanket, which I love because muslin fabric is very breathable, so it's going to be perfect for the summer. They also included a Lysol Daily Cleansing Wipes, which claims to be free from harsh chemicals residues. So it'll be perfect to wipe down my baby's high chair, table, or just anything that my baby puts in his mouth. It does specify that it's kitchen areas and baby areas, as well as pet areas. Another sample of Cetaphil Baby Daily Lotion. It says that it's with organic calendula, sweet almond oil, and sunflower oil. Paraben free, colorant free, mineral oil free. I actually have to look into this brand to see if I want to try it on my baby. They include a huge pack of Huggies Natural Care wipes. This is a 56 wipes. And I love these because they do have that little cover to seal it. Last but not least, they included this cute box from Moon and Back. It says it's an organic cotton short sleeve bodysuit, 3 to 6 months, made with 100% organic cotton, which I am loving. Oh, look at these. What are they, elephants? It has elephants through the front and back. Even though my baby just turned 8 months, I do feel like he'll still fit in it, so I'm excited to try this out. And this is everything I received in my Amazon baby welcome box. If you guys have any questions or want me to do a review on a specific product, just leave it in the comment section down below, and stay tuned for more of my videos. Bye!